Keep your Tesla's interior clean and comfortable, and protect your investment with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of soft and stretchy neoprene and Neoprene fabrics, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored to your vehicle's specifications for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design allows for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls, and the bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Plus, the front has a center console cover for added comfort. These custom-fit covers are waterproof, long-lasting, impeccably constructed with thick foam padding, and offer a sideless design to allow for airbag deployment. Ride in style and comfort with your Tesla's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom-fit neoprene seat covers.